I read in class 10.
You really love riders,
Rough Riders.
and you have come here for the 58 statehood riders meet
Yes.
as a volunteer.
Yes.
So
Start.
yeah, that is icon. So these are the guys like who volunteers for any service. In our place also, like I think like we should follow this kind of thing. We should all volunteer for any kind of public service. My time. माने नोंसोरबो नोंथांमोनहाबो जायगायाव माबा मोनसे माबा जायोबा इभेन्टफोर जायोबा भलन्टियार खालामनांगौ मालाय बिसोरना स्किम होननानै क्लास 10 ल' बियो भलन्टियार खालामो बेनो आरो cheers.
Bye.
Take the next left. Take the next left, then turn right.
I used to, I ride alone. I used to love riding alone. But the thing is, like, I met these brothers from Manipur, and they didn't know the road. So that's the reason why we were riding together. And then I really loved riding with them. Like, it was a different experience. And those two, like brothers from Manipur, asked some riders, like the condition, how they ride, respect and discipline of riding. Yeah, it was like awesome. And then, the best thing was like, in the meantime, I met Smriti.
Huh? You won't send well. There is sound.
Yeah, I think so, little bit.
Yeah, Smriti's baby.
The less double stem. Double.
See, rides like crazy.
Driving
Awesome.
skill is so amazing.
Ah, balance is also excellent. Yeah. Awesome.
Double stem. Oi. Double stem. Double.
These days, I have been riding alone, riding to different places, different countries. And the best thing I have realized is like, the more you ride, the more you get knowledge. People, they come to join clubs, motorcycle clubs, just to get, like fame, just to get girlfriends. And these are the people, they get exposed. Because, to ride, you have to have a passion. Without passion, nobody can ride. For few, like for the riding events and all that, you can ride. But not forever, man. Without passion, you cannot continue a particular, thing of riding, of going to places, traveling and all that. Without passion, you cannot do that. Without money, without passion, you cannot do that, man. Without time, without health, you need to have a health, good health. You need to have a money. You need to have a time. You need to have a dedication. You need to have a passion. Then only you will have, like you get to fulfill your passion. And for me, like the passion is riding. So that's the only thing I love, and I keep telling on people that's the thing you should do that.